Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Hubatik, and I'm presenting Team 3, the Breath Hackers. So this is our team, and one of our members pitched the problem that due to large volume of critically ill patients requiring ventilator support, they landed up in emergency room on manual embo bagging. And this is the most of the problem in the LMIC country. And this is the picture which you're seeing. Because of the shortage of doctors and nurses in a public hospital, attendant had to do the embo bagging. And this is the mother, and it's the picture from Karachi Public Hospital. The mother is doing the embo bag of their own child. So this is the big, we feel that this is the problem. So what happened with this problem? Actually, with this ineffective embo bagging, it leads to poor outcome because the morbidity, mortality increases because the patient had an increased length of stay, and it also challenges the patient's safety. So what is the proposed solution? We think in 2.5 days, could it possible to replace the human hand with a mechanical device? So how? That's the question. Because we need our device for our hospital. It's a public sector hospital. It should be cost effective, locally made, applicable to our hospitals, ER and HDUs and ward. It could help us in patient transfer, and it should be reliable. So what we did, we make as simple as ABCD. A stands for embo bagging compression device. It's not airway breathing circulation and disability. So we make this device with a movable plate. This is a movable jaw that had an embo bagging in place. It compressed and decompressed. It had a hinge with an electrical motor, an adjustable hinge or stand that is movable with the patient bed. Sorry. So what would be the health impact of this? Health impact of we feel that our ABCD device can help reduce morbidity, mortality, can help during safe transfer of the patient, can have better utilization of ED. We think that we can utilize our health staff in a better way, and most important, we can reduce family attendance stress and pressure. So what would be the business plan? It is not locally available. It is not internationally available. There are some prototypes, but they have different design. It's not manufactured locally with local. It can manufacture locally with local export, can be mass produced, had a large user base and potential usage in other LMIC country. So we conclude that ABCD might change or can change outcome because it's applicable, it's breath saver, it's cost effective, and it's doable. And we present you our first prototype that made last night.
Thank you. We'll have to clap the clapping away as well if we do that one. You have the mic, right? Okay.
Just one question. Have you worked out what it would cost to manufacture one of these?
This is like only 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. It has made in 2,500 rupees. So if we can make it more cheaper, it could be like 1,000, 1,500 rupees.
Did you try the Tesla model on it? Is it effective? Is the breath the same?
We will do it, but it's just in 2.5 days.
So this is definitely a prototype. I understand that, and if you put the embo bag in it, won't replace the embo bag effectively in the final product. My question is, have you forecasted that how much the final product would cost?
So this is just an estimate. We feel for this device to be useful, it should cost between 5,000 and 10,000 rupees when it's being mass produced, and that's the range we're looking at. We need to thank our two young innovators who are not officially part of the team, but they've put this device together within a day for us to have a demonstration.
And their names are Saf and Zan.